Hi, Tom from Makerpad here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a search step to your multi-step Zap. So this is going to be useful if you've got some information in another place and you just want to check that database against the information you've got. So in this use case, in a previous video in this basics series, we created a multi-step Zap which took in a result from a type form, notified us in Slack, and then created a card, a to-do item inside of Trello. But now we have all of our membership information in Airtable. So what might be good is to search Airtable and check if the person that's applied is actually a Makerpad member already. So we can do this easily within Zapier. So now we go back to Zapier and create another action. I'm going to type Airtable. I'm going to choose an action event, which is going to be a search event, because we want to find if this record exists and then add the appropriate tag. We're going to connect our Airtable account, connect our base, connect our table. We're going to see if they've already got a profile. And then in the search by field, we're going to search for their email, see if their email exists. And the value of the search is going to be the email address that we received from our type form. And then press continue. And then it's going to search for this info. So if you press test continue, we're going to find out if the actual record exists or not, which is green. And it does. We can now see that we've picked up the record from our Airtable, which means this person has a profile on Makerpad. Okay. And that is how to search for a simple record based off of data that we've got from a previous step. Hope that's useful and look forward to seeing what you make with it. Bye.